reviewing some slimes that I made. I have 3, the other 2 are just off camera. I made this one today. The beads fall out. One just rolled past the tripod. I know you probably saw that. But it is so crunchy. It's really good. I should have made it stickier for the beads to fall out. These 2 I made the other day, so they might be a little sticky. So I brought some activator, Amazon Basics activator. It has slime on it from when I made this slime 20 minutes ago. So I'm basically gonna be talking about them, doing nice ASMR. It just farted when I also don't know if you guys heard that. It was like a deep fart noise. It's crunchy. I just wish the beads didn't fall out as much. And some of these will have dog hairs in it because, well, I live with dogs. Dog hairs everywhere. That's just what you gotta deal with when you live with dogs. Okay, let me try to do some ASMR now. It's not very stretchy. I don't know why. Let me try my classic bubble thing. Yeah, it's not very great, but it's okay. I don't know why. My slimes, they get kind of hard and overactivated and rippy. Sometimes. This was a perfect slime, so I'm just gonna put it back in its baggie, which is over here. Where the heck did that bag go? Where did that baggie go? Oh my god. I'm just gonna get another baggie. PID. So I just got a new baggie. Just farted. It's clicky. It's glossy, thick slime. Gotta put it back in this baggie. I swore I put the bag up on the table that's behind me that you can't see, but I guess it's not there. I don't know. Maybe when my dad was setting up this video, he thought it was trash up there, and he tossed it. Okay. Why are these bags like hard to close? Usually they make satisfying sounds. That's kind of satisfying. The sounds of the bags. So I have these 200 slimes. So my neighbor, she has 2 sons. One is 2 and one is 4. I won't be saying their names. So I just made them for them because I assumed they would like it. On this one I felt misspelled homemade slime from Angie. So I had to cross it out. Again, oh my god, what the heck? I made these yesterday, so I brought over my activator in case if they were sticky, but these are perfect. This slime is heaven to touch. It's a tiny amount of slime. Still is good. Like, it's still nice. Oh my god. The only difference between, well, there's pretty much no difference between both of these. But, so I have borax that I dissolved in water. for these ones, do not eat this if you have this at home, kids. Do not eat it. It's chemicals. But for these, I used the liquid borax. For this, I used the Amazon slime activator. So, oh, and there is dish soap in both of these. So now let me do some ASMR with this. And that one's getting out of the way. Get out in the way of ASMR. Okay. Oh, let me know what you want to name these 3 slimes down in the comments. These are the few ones. I'll show you again when I'm done with both of these. I'll show you again at the end of the video. If you forget, and if you're too lazy to rewind it. Okay, now onto the ASMR. Oh, this is a kind of thing that I made up. So, you know when you're doing a slime swirl. Oh, that's hard to say. I'm gonna try to say that 5 times. Slime swirl, slime swirl, slime swirl, slime swirl. You know what I'm saying. A slime swirl. You basically make the bubble thing, but you still do it like that. And the amazing ASMR will come to you. Now I'll be quiet and shut up so we can listen together. This ASMR is so good, guys. Oh look, there's a little sparkle in this. It's cute. Those glitters, they're actually from my Elmer's Glue Deep Sea thing that I reviewed. You remember it. They got everywhere. They were like literally sticking to my hand that day. In case you don't remember, this is the one. I still play with it till today. Those glitters in there get everywhere. Even in other slimes. I wonder if these beads, there's a few that fell out from the purple slime before, would stick in this slime. Oh, they will. That's nice. But I'm gonna take them out because those boys are young, they're 4 and 2, and I don't want them to be swallowing on this because they're very tiny. The 4-year-old one might not do it, but the 2-year-old one might. So, anyway, I'm not risking it, but they do definitely stick in these ones. Okay. So good. Oh, there's another bead in there. That ASMR was fantastic. For some reason, I always end up making like tiny batches of slime. I don't know why. But it looked bigger before because it was all spread out like this one. Oh, it is so squishy in the bag. Like that's the homemade squishy. It's really easy to make squishies. Like, first you need slime. You can make it with, you really only need glue and activator or borax. And then you need a balloon. Then you shove the slime into the balloon. Then bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. It's a squishy. Or you could squish it in the bag. Okay, this is my other one. It's basically the same thing, but orange and slightly more overactivated. So, I don't know. Like it's a little. It's not that much overactivated when I made it. So, it was overactivated. We had to do 1,000 things to get it overactivated. Now it's perfect. This one honestly feels like a story-bought slime. Not a story-bought slime, that's just a show. A store-bought slime. What did it sound like? It was meant to be this cute little orange, but it's kind of this fleshy color. I don't know, but this kind of reminds me of an orange sorbet. Not an orange sorbet. Or orange. What is it called? I forget what it's called when you mix like ice cream into soda. When you mix a vanilla ice cream into soda. Into like an orange soda. It looks like that. I forget what it's called. Oh, a creamsicle. Orange creamsicle. Time for some nice ASMR. Oh wait, there's a little more slime left in. I know, I'm probably going a little overkill getting out all the slime, but the more slime, the more ASMR. The more ASMR, the more happy people can watch my videos. If ASMR makes you happy. Some people don't like it. I don't know what's up with it. I think it's great. But feel free to not like it. That's just my opinion. Okay, anyway, I'm doing ASMR. Now let me try to make a bubble. Sorry, that was really bad singing. Now I'm going to try to make a better bubble than that. Much of a bubble. So this is how I make my slime store with extra bubble pops. So basically, you get a bubble. Oh well, that one failed. There's a giant hole in it. Okay. So you get a giant bubble like this. Kind of make it like. Then you do that. You make it like get smushed back together, and then you crunch it. You could use a lot of things as slime activator. I think you could use, it's getting rippy. It's a little rippy. You can use like Tide laundry detergent. I saw people on YouTube do that. You could use baking soda. Basically whatever has borax in it. Now let me try to make a bubble. Bubble! Tiny bubble. Oh, bead rolled onto my thing. There we go. It's crunchy. Oh my god, let's see how long that lasts. Gonna last for eternity? Not anymore. I thought that would make me better. I thought that would make better. Why can I not speak? I thought that would make better ASMR bubble pop crunches, whatever you call them, than that did, but that's okay. Well, also, if you don't have food coloring, which you probably do, just ask your mom or dad. It's probably in your food cupboard, cabinet, whatever. You could use eyeshadow. There's two ways you could get that. Steal it from your mom, which I don't recommend because she'll be very angry at you. Or you could get cheap ones from the dollar store, like these really cheap eyeshadow at the dollar store, which you could use as pigment. I don't know what else you could use. Kind of a new that slime. The only reason why I know so much is yours truly, YouTube. I know, right, guys? It's an amazing platform to learn stuff. Like, who else would have guessed that I learned it from YouTube? Probably all of you would. Anyway, so that's how I learn most of my stuff, YouTube videos, things like that. Going to do ASMR now, which you probably realize. The video's almost over, so that's what sort of ASMR we'll be doing. And tell me in the comments what names these free slimes should get, and I'll pick one. Well, I'll pick 3 for each of them. And tell me which one was your favorite today. As always, keep watching, stay safe, and thank you for watching. Bye! Now I have to get up and pause the video. Hey, what just happened?